Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering Solutions. In this video, we will discuss about properties of fluids. When we study about fluids, we need to know about its behavior and characteristics, and which is explained by its properties. Mainly there are 7 properties to define a fluid, which are mass density, specific weight, specific gravity, bulk modulus, compressibility, coefficient of linear expansion, and last, viscosity. Out of these 7 properties, viscosity have high importance. As we know, water and oil both are liquids, but which have different behavior. The main property which influencing this behavior change is viscosity. Okay, now let's start from mass density. Mass density is defined as the amount of matter which is occupied in a unit volume. Or simply, density is defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to the volume of fluid and is denoted by the symbol ρ. Density have the units kilogram per meter cube in SI system and the dimension is ml raised to minus 3. Mainly there are 2 factors which influence in the density of a fluid, temperature and pressure. When we considering a certain quantity of fluid molecules, as the temperature increases, the molecule will move away. That means the volume will increases and of course the density will decreases. So we can conclude that as temperature rises, the density will decreases. But there is an exception for water. From 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, as the temperature increases, density also increases. Thereafter, as the temperature increases, density will decreases. And we will get the maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Now, come into pressure. We all know that when an object is subjected to pressure, it will experience that force in all directions. That means the molecules come closer. The same thing happens in case of fluid also. The amount of fluid molecules present in that unit volume also increases, which means the density also increases. So we can conclude that as the pressure increases, density also increases. And there is another quantity we need to clarify about it, acceleration due to gravity. By definition, density is defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to the volume of fluid, which doesn't have an acceleration due to gravity term. So we can conclude that density is independent of acceleration due to gravity. This is all about density, and we need to remember some values of densities which will help us in exams, which is density of water 1000 kg per meter cube at 4 degrees Celsius. As I told earlier, water have the maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Now the second one is density of mercury 13,600 kg per meter cube at room temperature. And the third one is density of air, which is given as 1.17 kg per meter cube at normal temperature and pressure. As we know, the air is considered as ideal gas. So in case the density is not given, we can find out by using this formula. Hope you enjoyed this lecture, and we will continue the properties of fluid in the next class. And also we will provide the notes and previous year questions after completing the properties of fluid lesson. As I told earlier, this is absolutely free of cost. So do subscribe and share this channel those who need it, and enjoy the magic of mechanical engineering. Thank you.